Okay, in this video I'm going to go over how to begin to draw your house in Revit. So upon opening Revit, you should see a screen something similar to this right here. So what we're going to do first is select the architectural template by just clicking, and once it opens up you should see this screen come up right here. So first things first is we're going to start by drawing our walls. It's very helpful at this point in time to have the plan of your house visible. Now you should be using the one that you drew in class by hand to get your measurements and placement of walls and everything from. So first things first is we're going to set up and draw our exterior walls. So the first thing we'll do is click on our wall command here, and we're just going to begin drawing the outline of our house. So it's just simply click and drag. So I'm going to go to roughly 30 feet, and then we'll go 24 feet, and we'll just finish the rectangle out. Now just to verify that my dimensions are completed, I'm going to come up to my dimension tool and check and make sure our dimensions are correct. Now you'll notice when I mouse over top of my wall, you'll see the dimension line is coming to the center of my wall. I don't want a dimension from that. I want a dimension from the exterior face. So to do that, what I'll do is I'll come up to this option here where it says wall center line. I'll hit the drop down. I want to change that to wall faces. So I'll click there, and now you'll see that it's highlighting the exterior of my wall. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit here and drag myself downwards, and then click on the outsides of my walls. That will give me a dimension there, and then I'll dimension the other side as well. Now you'll see here that my walls for some reason are a little bit bigger, so that's not a problem. What I'll do here is I will go ahead and I'm going to resize this and change the dimensions to make my house meet what's in my plan. So first thing I will do is I will click on the wall I want to move, and then I'm going to click on my dimension I want to change. In this case it's the 24 foot 8 inch. So I'm just going to type in 24 there and hit enter, and then I'm going to select my other wall and click on my 30 foot 8 and change that to 30 feet. So there we have the basic outline of our house. Okay, after your walls have been selected to the right dimensional size, we're going to make sure that they're the right height. So what we're going to do here to check this is we're going to make sure that they're all constrained to a level. So we're going to select our wall and then hold the control key and select them all. Once they are all selected, we will go over to the side here and look at our top constraint. So what we're going to do is change our top constraint to up to level 2. Then hit apply. Now we're going to check and see what that looks like by going to our elevations, which they are located here on the lower left hand side in your project browser. So I'm going to just select my east elevation and look at my walls. So here I want to actually change the height of my walls because typically walls are not 10 foot high. So we're going to make ours the standard 8 foot by just clicking on our level 2 dimension and changing that to 8 foot. There we go. Now we can shift back to our floor plan by double clicking on the level 1 plan. So now you have successfully created the exterior walls for your house. In the next video I'm going to show you how to change the construction of your wall.